Alright, we're here at the Louvre. Got our tickets to go in early. 9 o'clock today. You ready, honey?
Yeah.
It was a long day yesterday. We're tired. Fortunately, we're only 15 minutes away by metro. So that was easy to get here.
15 minutes.
15 minutes by metro. 30 minutes if we walked. So yeah, we were like 2 minutes away from the metro. Got on 3 stops later. We came up across the street. And since we have our tickets, we get to go in the short line. So we got here, line 15 minutes before they open, 8:45. Everyone's lined up. These are everyone who has their tickets paid for already. And so they haven't opened the doors yet, but they will be momentarily, and get ready to go through airport level security as we go in. You have to, they'll probably scan your bags, empty out your pockets, that type of thing, before they wave you on through. You can expect that pretty much every tourist location. It was like that at the Eiffel Tower. It was like that at Disney when we were there. So, but yeah, it's 8:45. They haven't opened yet, and there's a lot of people already here on a Monday morning. So we're in a hurry to get to the Mona Lisa. But look at all these fantastic statues we're passing by on the way there. But we want to get to the Mona Lisa before it gets crowded. And we're following the signs. Paintings, Mona Lisa, this way. Yep. And that's the... There you go. That's a famous statue up there too. I don't know the name of it. And since I'm a horrible art tour guide, I'm not going to be able to tell you much of anything about hardly any of them. And when you're here, don't forget to look up. There's lots of great art on the ceiling. Beautiful artwork here. Who is this by? Amazing. You like it so far, honey? Except we didn't have enough time to eat breakfast. Okay, come here. Here, sweetheart. We're getting a secret tour here. Oh, merci. Oh, wow.
And Louis XIV organized all these parties.
Wow.
And go, it's like where the Queen and Louis XIV organized all the party. And,
Wow.
with all the elegant guests.
Very beautiful.
In the past. And you have after all the jewels of King and Queen of France.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, it's
Nice.
like Versailles. It's beautiful.
Perfect.
It's from Le Nôtre. So enjoy.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you, merci. Okay, so that was awesome. Merci. So we asked the lady where the Mona Lisa was.
Yeah.
And then she saw us geeking out about the ceiling in the other room.
Yeah.
And she said, "Come here."
Yeah.
And she
Look at that.
she let us go in the wrong way into
Yes.
this room here.
Look at
And she
this.
said, "Come here. You want to see something really good?
Yeah.
Come here."
Look how nice this.
Wow. Then she was explaining to me, I think I got it on camera, that this is all organized by King Louis XIV, and the crown jewels are right down there. The jewels of France are right down there. So let's go see them. Look at that. This is
Alexandra Gabrielle Lemonnier.
This is Crown Empress, wife of Napoleon III. Wife of Napoleon III's crown. Francois. Necklace, earrings from a set of emerald jewelry belonging to Empress Marie-Louise, second wife of Napoleon I. This is second wife of Napoleon I. Jewels. Look at all this. Wow, this is quite amazing. I want to get a close-up of that. Just look how amazing that is. Diamond known as the Regent. This is 140 carats. Diamond Rose, 21 carats. That one's that one there. And this one here, which one is that one? 52 carats.
Wow.
This is crown of Louis King the 15th. King of France. Just look at the detail on this though, wow. Amazing. You just stand here and you're kind of amazed by, I mean, this is probably, everyone comes to see the Mona Lisa. This is probably what you want to see right here. Just look at all the detail. Just amazing. And right now, we have the whole room to ourselves. See the sign there says do not enter. And that's the way we got in, due to that nice lady ushering in there the wrong way. Nobody else is going to get that treatment today, for sure. Wow. Okay, let's go find the Mona Lisa. So there it is, the Mona Lisa. We came almost straight here, but look at that. Get a close-up of that infamous smile. Everybody complains that's so small. And everyone says, don't forget to turn around when you're at the Mona Lisa. Everyone's crowded here. But look at that magnificent painting that you totally walk right past on your way in. Because you come in through that door there, coming this way, and you see the Mona Lisa, and that's what your eye is drawn to. But you turn around to leave, and look at that beautiful painting on the other side. Probably even more magnificent than the Mona Lisa. I'm just geeking out here. Here's a Mona Lisa over here. Don't forget to go behind the Mona Lisa. See some dogs, some other gentlemen, some other ladies. More pictures of Christ. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Oh, look straight up. Don't forget to look straight up. Amazing. I just saw this painting, and I think this has to be the saddest painting I've ever seen. Look at this. So sad. 1797, 1856. La Jeune Martyr, the young martyr, from Delaroche. In the early days of Christianity, passers-by discovered the body of a young Christian woman thrown into the river by the Romans for refusing to renounce her faith. Okay, so we've been here half an hour so far.
Yeah. That's good.
And we've been
Oh, look at this.
pretty amazed.
Yeah.
There's too much to see here.
Yeah.
And it's like you're running from painting to painting to painting.
What is this?
So this painting is where Napoleon is crowning himself and his wife Emperor and Empress of France. And this is next to, wow, look at this one too. Crazy. Crazy amazing. Look how far this goes. It just keeps going and going and going. And you look up, never ever ever forget to look up. And these are decorations, housing decorations from about the year 520. Well, with there being like 38,000 artifacts in the Louvre, there's no way we're going to get to them all. But just look at the ceiling every time. So amazing. So very amazing. And Don't even quite know everything that we're looking at, but it is cool. Yep, okay. So we are now officially lost. We're trying to get back to where the main entrance is at. And we're lost in the Egypt. Pretty cool sarcophagus. Cool looking stuff. Like this one too. So I was lost. We were lost. I was going to look out the window, expecting to see the glass pyramid, and it's not there. So we're still lost. Apparently, this is how King Louis XIV lived. I think this is his art. Pretty shabby, if you ask me. My mistake. Louis XVI. And we love collecting Starbucks mugs. And they have some really nice, cool ones here in the Louvre from Paris. Better light on this side. Look at that. Just look at the detail on this. Just taking a selfie next to the original selfie. Look at this one. The veiled woman stands maybe 3.5 feet tall. But look at the detail on the face. Just look at that. The craftsmanship it would take to. This one is time lifting up virtue and the arts. Look at the detail on this. These little angels. Seems like it needs to be cleaned. And time is the figure on top lifting up this woman. And here is the famous Venus de Milo. Got the Aphrodite behind us. Back when they were doing the floss dance, perfecting the floss dance. All right, so it's 12:30 p.m. on Monday, and this place is packed. All kinds of people in here. It's just quite crowded, and they're closed on Tuesdays. So I think it's time for us to go.